Okay, Mr. Rizwan, sir, are you married?
Yes, sir. I'm married.
Do you have any children?
Yes, sir. I have two children, two sons.
Two sons.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you like your sons?
Obviously, sir, I like my sons because of my two sons are very lovely, and I like to play with them, and I like to visit outside with them, and I
Wow.
like so much my children.
When did you get married?
I I have been married 2016.
And what's your profession?
I am a planning assistant. I work on abroad
In which country?
in Saudi Arabia.
In Saudi Arabia.
Yes, sir.
How long have you been living in Saudi Arabia?
I have been living for 2 years.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you're from Shirazganj.
Yes, I'm from Shirazganj, sir, which is the most
Okay.
popular district of Rajshahi division.
What do you think about the education rate of Shirazganj? Is it okay?
I think it's so.
So.
Yes.
And what is the most famous educational institution in your hometown?
A degree college.
Is there any public university in your hometown? You have forgotten.
Yes.
There has been a public university at Shahjatpur in
Yes, sir.
Shirazganj.
Shahjatpur
Rabindranath University.
University.
Well, what do you know about Khaja Yunus Ali Medical College and Hospital?
Khaja Yunus Ali Medical College is best and a good medical college in our, I think it's in Rajshahi division is the most popular and good medical college, Khaja Yunus Ali Medical College.
Okay,
So
and
their treatment and their policy is very good, and their medical instrument also very good. Their service also very good.
so you are a remittance fighter. So how do you feel when you leave your country?
It's very bad, sir, because of I live from my family, my children, also my friends. That's why when I live in my country, from my country, that time I feel very bad. Also,
Okay.
I said,
What do you like to do in your free time?
in my free time, I like listening. Right now, I like listening English podcast, and sometimes I go outside, and also I talk with my family. So as well as I go outside for eating. I like this.
And what's your opinion about Rahat English Care?
In my opinion, Rahat English here is very good institute for learn English speaking, also IELTS. Also, their residential environment is very good. Their teaching method also different. Also, their all teacher behavior is amiable, and their teaching method also very good. They always take care of us.
Thank you, Mr. Abu Bakr Siddiq, sir. This is the end of your speaking test, and I wish you a successful career in the future.
Thank you, sir. You pray for me, please.
Of course. Thank you.